Today we have with you an A3 printer. However, this is a big box, so I've got some muscle. Accessories over here, CDs, papers. Alright. Hello! Alright, we're back. Oh. Wow! 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 Wow!
Setup may look daunting, but it's pretty alright. Just plug it in, take out the dummy cartridge, turn it on, match up the provided cartridges to the tray colours, unfold the tray, connect Wi-Fi. I did this automatically using the WPS button on the printer and router, which took a couple of minutes. Over on the Mac or PC, go into settings and add the printer, which should be detected over Wi-Fi. The printer not only prints A3, but it can also print A4, but note, it can be a little slow for that function. For premium prints, make sure you use high quality paper, but you can still use regular paper, and here's how it looks. So printing takes about 5 minutes to get it all out. Here I've used some value A3 paper, and the quality is pretty decent. If I did use a higher quality piece of paper, it would have been a lot nicer, some of the nice premium glossy style. But yeah, a 5-minute print, you get some nice quality. Totally recommend this. The printer can be managed over Wi-Fi, and there you can find the status of your cartridges as well as enable quieter printing modes. What do you think? Could this be the best value printer?